Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious chicken curry, and I'm going to use one whole organic chicken, and I'm going to take the skin off, going to cut into small pieces, and we'll wash it with cold water. One large onion, I cut the onion into small pieces. So organic tomato sauce, I'm going to use a half can. It's a 15 ounce, so it will be 7 ounce. 1 cup water, and if you want more running gravy, you can always use more water. And these are Thai chilies. These are real hot, and I'm going to use 3 of these, and we're going to use as a whole. Cumin powder, Kashmiri made, coriander powder, cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon each. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt is to taste. I'm using 2 teaspoons. Homemade garam masala, 2 teaspoons. Olive oil for tadka, 1/4 cup. 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. To garnish, fresh cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And let's start making our delicious organic chicken curry. Organic chicken, I took out the skin, I cut into small pieces and wash with the cold water. Both of the drumsticks, I make a small 3 cut so it will soak the spices. And let's start making our delicious organic chicken curry. Get a karahi or wok, start gas and keep the gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. And we're going to cook it like 10 seconds. Now I'm going to bring ginger garlic paste. Good idea is put the cover on so it won't spray out. Keep mixing it for like 20 seconds. I'm going to bring onion. And this is a large jumbo size onion. Mix it well. And now we're going to cook onion until they get translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Bring all the spices, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, Kashmiri made, turmeric powder. Mix it well. We're going to cook our spices along with tadka for a half a minute. Now I'm going to bring tomato sauce. Mix it well. Once the tomato sauce is nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. As you see, the oil starts to ooze out. Our tadka is nicely cooked. Once it's nicely mixed, I'll bring the green chili. These are really hot, super hot. Mix it. Now I'm going to bring the chicken. Mix it well. I'm going to bring the gas on high. I'm going to keep mixing, and we're going to cook on a high gas for 5 minutes. Once the tadka is nicely combined with the chicken, so keep moving so it won't get burnt. Cooking our chicken on a high gas for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring 1 cup water. If we need a running gravy, we always can add more water. 1 cup is perfect. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 15 minutes. We're going to spread it evenly, make sure that all the pieces are nicely covered into the curry, and cover with the lid. We're going to bring the gas to medium. So on the medium gas, we're going to cook for 15 minutes, and after 5 minutes, open the lid, we're going to stir it. And same thing, we're going to do it at the 10 minutes. Cooking on a medium gas, exactly 15 minutes. I opened it twice, and I stir it. Mix it. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, and I'm going to rub it on my palm. The whole reason I'm doing it, if there is any big strand, we can pull them out like this one. on a medium gas, cover with the lid again, and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes of cooking with a closed lid. I opened after 5 minutes, I stirred it once. Mix it well, and it's looking super delicious. This is a perfect gravy. If you need more running gravy, you can add 1 cup more water. And if we look at the chicken drumstick, they need a little bit cooking. The rest of the meat is nicely cooked. I'll bring cilantro, and I'm going to save a little amount of cilantro to garnish. Mix it. Cover with the lid, and I'll bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium low heat, cooking for 5 minutes. You need to open it, mix it. Our chicken is fully done. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our dish is ready. I have my serving bowl ready, and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious chicken curry. Organic chicken curry drumstick. All the meat is pulled back and fully cooked. I'm going to dish out, and I'm going to share with you. Very tasty and very delicious organic chicken curry. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, and best of all with rice pilaf. Please comment below how it turned out for you, and if you like this dish, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. And I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye.